In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Phone Dialer application change problem. Whenever you are opening the phone application on your phone, you'll get to see the interface has been completely changed, and even though whenever you're trying to call someone, the interface is completely changed here as well. And also the contact option missing from here. So if you're frustrated about the latest version of the phone application and you just want to get back to the previous version, because today's video I'll go ahead and show you how you can actually get back to the previous version. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to get the old phone dialer application, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and press and hold the phone application from your device and then go and tap on app info. And this will take you to the phone dialer application app info. And from the app info at the bottom right, you'll get to see the clear data option. So if you're not getting the clear data, if you just need to scroll down, you'll get to see the storage. You just need to tap on that and go ahead and tap on clear data, and then go and tap on clear old data, the first option, and then tap on OK. Now pretty much good to go. Just force close the application from the background. Now if I open up the phone application, you'll get to see my problem is fixed and I get the resend and the contact option back. And even though if I call someone, and he'll get to see I have got back my previous calling interface. And this is how you actually can fix and get the old version of phone application on your device. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.